In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create websites for local businesses with Claude 3.7 Sonnet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prompt Claude to produce a complete, conversion-focused website package for a neighborhood business, from page structure and copy to responsive code and local SEO essentials. First, open your Claude account. If you're new, create an account and sign in. Make sure you can access the Claude 3.7 Sonnet model in your workspace. Having a stable internet connection and a clean browser session helps the chat load quickly and keeps your progress smooth. Next, go to the chat or input bar and craft a clear, detailed prompt about your business. The more specific you are, the better Claude performs. Describe the business type, the business name, the city or neighborhood you're targeting, your ideal customers, the services you offer, and the unique selling points that set you apart. Then tell Claude exactly what you need. A modern site structure with pages like home, about, menu or services, and contact. Persuasive, locally targeted, SEO optimized copy for each page, and clean, responsive HTML and CSS with optional JavaScript. Ask it to include strong call to action sections for leads or bookings, brand guidance with colors and fonts, a basic local SEO plan with keywords, meta descriptions, and heading suggestions, and to prioritize mobile friendliness, speed, and conversions. You can also request an optional booking or contact form, a map section, and ideas for scaling or improving the site over time. When your prompt is ready, press enter and wait patiently while Claude generates the response. Large code-heavy outputs can take a moment. If the reply stops midway, simply ask it to continue. You should receive a clear page outline, compelling copy written in a local voice, and responsive code blocks you can use immediately. Look for sections like hero headlines, benefit-led features, testimonials or reviews you can add later, FAQs, and clear calls to action. If you want refinements, ask for them explicitly. You can request a different color palette, a specific tone of voice, alternative typography, or a tighter layout for mobile. You can also ask Claude to compress images in the code references, suggest performance tips, or add accessibility features like proper alt text and contrast. Finally, remember to keep your inputs safe. Don't paste private emails, passwords, phone numbers, or API keys into your prompt. Keep location, services, and brand details focused and professional. With this workflow, Claude 3.7 Sonnet becomes your reliable partner for building polished, high-converting sites for local businesses in minutes.